Okay, cold start. Gauges work. Temp gauge, of course, is at 0. It's, I don't know, 10 after 10 or something like that today. And of course, I've not run it. So let's put a key in. Get your beep. And we'll start. There it goes. So, I don't know if it helps to kind of show around in here, but it's a cold start, and I'll make a video going through the gears.